Hi everyone, I am Vital Rao, legal and management consultant, Bangalore. This is in continuation my talk on how to develop the HR competencies. Now, in continuation of my talk, today I would like to give some more inputs so that we can fully concentrate on how to develop our competencies. Competencies. This is very important. As I have been telling you, HR is a part and parcel of the business. I have been telling you. And this also I reiterate the same today that we are one side of the coin of both sides. One side you see business and another side of the coin is HR. That's the importance of HR now. That's why I said that we should develop the competencies in all multiple disciplines of an industry. I told you already it may be finance, it may be industrial engineering, it may be production, it can be production process, it can be excellent development of human relations and keeping up the morale of the people. These are all the definitely the competencies. Now here in this continuation, I will just show you the benefits of HR competencies, what we can, how we can accomplish the business goals of an organization. Now here we need to build up the utilization capacity of the company. That's the most important thing. How do we build up the organization capacity? That should be our aim and objective. That is the purpose of developing the competencies. Optimize the performance in the organization. Optimize the performance in terms of everything. It can be output, it can be quality output, productivity conscious, cost conscious, everything put together, way to create a performance, what you call, optimize the performance of the organization itself. And then, of course, we need to ensure the rewards and recognition of people. That's very important because we know that without recognition and rewards, people may not get enthused, and we have to keep up the morale. This is one of the most important things that we can definitely accomplish this. Then ensure growth of individuals. That's very important. The individual's growth is a prime importance in terms of technology, in terms of their own upgrading their competency in their respective field. So we need to do all optimize the what you call the learning skills of everybody. This is another most important task which we need to carry and do that. Then keep the morale and motivation at all times high. This is very important. Of course, this I told you already that this is one of the tools for developing excellent human relations in the organization. This is very important. So motivation and uh, keep up the morale is one of the part and parcel of our main function. It's not anybody's job, but it is we are a middle people between all these things, and then we need to develop an excellent competencies in this area. This is very important. Then mostly another important thing is that all of us know every company has got the vision and vision statement. Now, how far the people have understood the vision and vision statement of a company? So we must make to sure that they are fully aware of the vision and vision of the statement of the company and take the organizations along. That's very important. So many people would not have understood the mission and vision statement of a company, but it is our job to exhibit them and tell them what is the mission and vision statement, how do we go about that to reach the business accomplishments. So this is our one of the main important, because the business not only has to continue but is to go through a long term, long sustainability, profitability, growth, etc., everything, whatever they need. So, hence, in this respect, this is extremely important. Another most important, friends, is that environmental protection. Environmental protection is also one of our key area of the business, because without creating proper environment in terms of Environmental Protection Act and various things, the industry cannot survive. So here also we need to know thoroughly about environmental protection laws, protection system, and then we need to take the organization and ensure that the environment is protected in all respects. This is one of the most essential thing. Another thing, gentlemen, is that that corporate social responsibility. This is an arm of the company, because company is a corporate citizen. When it is a corporate citizen, then it owes a lot of responsibility towards the society. So here, the corporate social responsibility, I think we play a major role and important role in this direction also at the competencies. Now, gentlemen and friends, I have although it's a repetition of what I told you previously, but now emphasizing specific areas of advantage of developing the competencies. Now, if we develop all these competencies, I think we stand in line with the CEO or the company itself. Actually, HR should stand in line with the CEO or the MD of the company, or even the board of directors or the company itself. We are no way lower than that. We should keep up to that level. Then what happens is that we deserve a lot of respect and more of accountability. Because once you account all these things and you really contribute, I think you will become a prominent leader in the organization, leading HR role to a great extent. So this is extremely important what we have to do. So this is a short talk I gave you today. So next session, I will take you on the other competencies in the area of HR. So just please remember, please keep it in mind. Our role is not only limited to HR, but our role is all disciplines of management. All disciplines of management. We should be thorough in all respects. We cannot say, I do not know about this. We cannot say, I just pass on the buck to someone else. No, we are the owners of the business, micro owners of the business. We should adopt that way. Since we are micro business and work ownership, then it's our responsibility to carry the business all along where to take it. So, gentlemen and friends, so I close this talk with you right now, and I will come back to you next week about the other competencies where we need to learn. So all the best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.